In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup in Adobe Express. If you've ever selected several elements together and noticed they move as one single object, that usually means they've been grouped. Ungrouping lets you separate those elements again so you can edit, move, or resize each one individually. The good news is that Adobe Express makes this very quick. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the design where the grouped elements are located. This could be a graphic, presentation slide, social post, or any other project where you've combined multiple items together. Once your project is open, take a moment to find the object or set of elements you want to separate. Next, select the grouped object. When you click on it, Adobe Express should recognize it as one combined selection. This is important, because the ungroup option will only appear when a grouped item is actually selected. If you click and nothing seems to happen, just try again and make sure you're selecting the whole grouped object rather than an individual element inside it. Once the grouped object is selected, look at the top toolbar and find the ungroup option. Click that and Adobe Express will immediately separate the grouped elements so you can work with each piece on its own. This is the most direct method and usually the easiest one to use, especially if you prefer working with visible menu options. You also have another way to do the same thing. Right-click the grouped elements and then choose Ungroup from the menu that appears. This can be helpful if you're already used to using context menus while editing designs. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and G on your keyboard. That shortcut performs the same action and can save time if you use it often. It's especially useful when you're making quick edits and want to keep your workflow moving smoothly. And that's it. Once ungrouped, each element becomes editable on its own, which gives you more control over your design. If you ever separate something by mistake, just remember to double-check your selection before making changes. Ungrouping is a simple tool, but it's incredibly useful when you need more flexibility while designing in Adobe Express. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently ungroup objects in Adobe Express.